Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simplest hardware causes. Check that the monitor's power and video cables are firmly seated and not bent. Unplug and reseat HDMI or display port, then try a known good cable and a different port on the PC or monitor. Inspect the power brick and outlet for loose connections. Swap outlets if needed. Once done, power cycle the monitor and the computer to clear temporary states and see if flicker persists. Now you address software and signaling issues. Open display settings and confirm the refresh rate matches the monitor's native spec. Misconfigured HC often causes flicker. Update the graphics driver to the latest stable release or roll back if flicker began after an update. Then, disable adaptive sync features such as G-Sync or FreeSync in both the GPU control panel and monitor OSD to test compatibility. Finally, test with a different resolution and color depth to identify resolution-related instability. Finish by validating the monitor itself. Check the manufacturer site for a firmware update and follow the flashing steps carefully if available. Updates can fix timing bugs that cause flicker. If firmware is current, connect the monitor to a different computer. If flicker remains, the monitor or internal components are likely at fault. If it works, focus back on your PC. As a last resort, replace the cable or adapter, and if unresolved, contact manufacturer support or pursue warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.